Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. A critical question for manufacturers entering Southeast Asia is whether they need to conduct local, in-country clinical trials for their medical devices. The short answer is generally no, but this simplicity is deceptive. The reality is a complex landscape where banking on your existing CE mark or FDA approval alone can lead to significant delays and costs. The overarching framework is the ASEAN Medical Device Directive, or AMDD. Its goal is harmonization, meaning that robust clinical data from recognized jurisdictions like the European Union, United States, Australia, or Canada is typically accepted in member states like Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines without the need for new local studies. This reliance on reference country approvals is a cornerstone of the registration process for most Class B and C devices. However, the exceptions to this rule are where companies face trouble. Several countries interpret the AMDD framework with a strong local lens, especially for high-risk or novel technologies. Indonesia is a prime example. The Ministry of Health may request local clinical data for Class C and especially Class D devices, even if they have strong clinical evidence from abroad. For instance, a novel implantable device might be asked to undergo a local bridging study to confirm its performance within the Indonesian population. Similarly, in Thailand, while the Thai FDA accepts foreign data, they may mandate local trials if your device is a first-of-its-kind technology without prior approval from a major GHTF founding member. Vietnam also places significant scrutiny on the applicability of foreign clinical data. Regulators there might question whether data from a North American or European population is truly representative for Vietnamese patients, especially for devices treating conditions with different prevalence or presentation in Asia. The key to navigating this is not just having data, but presenting it correctly. A strategically prepared clinical evaluation report, or CER, is your most vital tool. This report must build a compelling argument, backed by scientific literature and existing data, that your device is safe and effective specifically for the target ASEAN population. It must proactively address potential questions about ethnic differences in anatomy or physiology. Successfully registering a device in ASEAN is less about a simple submission and more about a nuanced regulatory strategy. Understanding these local requirements is the difference between a smooth market entry and a costly, unexpected roadblock. For a deeper analysis of your product's specific pathway in the ASEAN market, feel free to email us or visit Chen-Global.